When people think of the term Indian, many overlook the immense diversity present among native Indians. Within the South Asian nation, there exists a multitude of individuals with varying shapes and features. While most are aware of the predominant Dravidian and Indo-Aryan ancestral groups, modern Indians exhibit significant intermixing. Surprisingly, a considerable portion of the Indian populace shares closer genetic ties with East and Southeast Asian populations, particularly those residing in the northeastern region of India, as well as parts of Nepal and Bhutan. These communities trace their lineage back to migrations from neighboring Tibet and Burma, predating the arrival of Indo-Aryan groups by several thousand years. Northeast India, encompassing states like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, is often referred to as the Seven Sister States. Interestingly, Bhutan lies nestled between Sikkim and these sister states, maintaining its independence from British rule. Nepal, situated directly west of Sikkim, shares cultural similarities with India, albeit with notable differences between its mountainous north and tropical south. Acting as a transitional boundary between East Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia, this region embodies a fusion of diverse cultures, religions, and languages. While southern Nepalese or Gorkhas share closer ties with other Indo-Aryan groups, the northern Nepalese population exhibits distinctly Asian features, descending from Tibetan migrants through the Himalayan range. Despite linguistic diversity, the predominantly Buddhist communities of the north contrast with the Hindu-majority Gurkhas of the south. Recent years have witnessed a significant influx of Nepali immigrants and refugees, reshaping the demographic makeup of southern Sikkim, where Nepali speakers now form the majority. Similarly, the Siliguri corridor, connecting the Seven Sister States with West Bengal and the rest of India, showcases significant ethnic diversity. Beyond India, an estimated 10 million individuals of Nepali descent reside in Southeast Asia, particularly in northern Burma and Malaysia. Despite its relatively small population, Bhutan stands as one of South Asia's oldest modern nations, with a history dating back around 400 years. However, discrepancies in government population estimates have led to embarrassment, revealing Bhutan's population to be significantly smaller than initially claimed. Ethnic divisions persist within Bhutan, particularly between northern Tibetan-related groups and southern Indo-Aryan Nepalese, exacerbated by the controversial Bhutan Citizenship Act of 1958. Despite challenges, northern Bhutan has been praised for its devout Buddhist population and minimal rates of health issues and crime. Northeast India, with its population of 50 million, presents a complex demographic landscape, with native peoples descending not only from Tibetan and Burmese groups, but also from Austroasiatic and Thai peoples. Geopolitical tensions persist, particularly between India and China over territories like Arunachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Assam, with its Indo-Aryan population, faces complexities due to the presence of Han ethnic minorities and allegations of demographic manipulation by Bangladesh. Despite these challenges, Northeast India remains a melting pot of ancient cultures, religions, and ethnicities, fostering hope for peaceful resolution and continued integration. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about the most beautiful place you visited and what made it unforgettable. If you're thirsty for more travel inspiration or simply want a feast for your eyes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of our growing community of explorers.